Now, you might have seen a lot of people on Instagram posts telling you to comment a specific word and they will send you the link of their product or services to your DMs. And you might be wondering how to do it with AI. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on exactly how you can build this system with the help of AI, where you don't have to comment a specific word and AI will push your products to sell it just like a salesperson in the DMs of the user. So let's get into it. Before the tutorial, let's learn what the basics are. So the user comments under your post and we send that information to AI. Now what AI is going to do is create true responses. The first response is going to be the message for DM and the second response is for the public view. Now the public view will be just a reply under the comment that they have posted. Now the message for the DM will be sent to the message for the user and the message for the public comment will be sent as a public comment reply. Now, the first step for building this whole system will be connecting our Facebook page to our Instagram page. So, what we're going to do is go to Facebook. Now, here you will go to the Facebook homepage and head over to the settings of your Facebook business page. Now, click on linked accounts. Connect your Facebook page to your Instagram. Awesome. Now your Facebook page is connected to the Instagram page. Now the next part will be the building the AI and training the AI to reply to all of the comment. The tool we're going to use for this AI training system is going to be chatbotbuilder.ai, which is a tool for making insane AI chatbots with not using a single piece of code in the whole build. So head over to chatbotbuilder.ai, click on sign up if you don't have an account, create a new bot. So I'm going to name it as comment automation. Perfect. Now when you're into the software, you see a dashboard like this. Go to settings. Now the next step is connecting your Instagram to chatbotbuilder.ai. So and click on channels and you'll be able to see Instagram, connect Instagram. We need to connect our Facebook page to the Instagram, our Facebook page, chatbotbuilder.ai. Now we are into chatbotbuilder.ai. Click on connect. Perfect. Our Instagram and both Facebook page are connected to chatbotbuilder.ai. Now next step will be making the flows for the comment automation. Now since our Instagram page is connected, head over to marketing and you'll be able to see Instagram comment automation. And what we're going to do is create a new automation that will be named as new. You can name it anything as you want. Continue. Awesome. So here we're going to click on all posts. That is exactly what I like. Now our step will begin now. Here we'll select two flows that going to be private reply to the comment and then public reply to the comment like we discussed before with the video. So click on save. Now head over to flow. First step will be creating the private reply for the comment. So awesome. Now select on add, create a new flow, name it as private reply, and you will be in the flow. Now we are in the flow. Click on send message and click on add content. And now here we'll select OpenAI to create the response for the user's comment. So make sure to follow the steps accurately, otherwise you might face some issues. So click on OpenAI. Now here generate text advanced. Make sure to keep the user message to last every comment and click on save and make sure to remove this as well. Now what we're going to do is make sure to save the response in a specific field. So we're just going to make sure to make a new one that will be p-reply. You can use already built one, it's up to you. Now select on continue. Now drag this all the way over here, make a new node, click on it and add text. Now here we'll use the variable that we just saving the information in, that as p-reply. So we're going to use this one on the next flow, next step, that will be p-reply, and awesome, you can see that. Make sure to publish it. Now what we're going to do is now give information to the AI to respond to the customer in a certain way. Now we can put the business information in this node so that AI knows what the people are asking about and then refer to that information, then reply to the customer's comment in the DMs. Well, I actually built a whole prompt before the video, so it's going to be somewhat similar to this. You can create anything as you like of your preference and add variations according to your own needs, but this is just a basic one. Now, the prompt says you are a customer support assistant for a med spa in Los Angeles, and your task is to respond to customers' comment under the business post on Instagram. Make sure to keep the response in full detail and tell them they can book an appointment if they like. At the end of the response, mention we have sent you the details in the DMs. Thank you. Always use an emoji in your comment. Now, this prompt will be for the private reply that will be sent into the DM. I also posted the business information. Now, this is just a fake business information, and I just copy pasted that whole information over here, and which says these are the working hours, this is the closing hour, this is my website. We're gonna copy everything and we're gonna paste it in the prompt. So go to private reply flow again on CBB and click on OpenAI. And what you're gonna do is paste all of that information over here. So we are good to go, and click on continue and select on publish. Perfect. Our private reply is perfectly done. Now what we're gonna do is make the public reply. Go to the flows again, create a new flow named as public reply. You can name it anything as you like. Now click on send message. We're gonna do the same exact thing what we did in the private. The only thing that's gonna be different is going to be the prompt, which should be different for the public view, because this comment is visible to every public, right? And we need to make sure that this response is not going to be very long or very descriptive, whereas a DM can be descriptive on the basis of the comment. So we're gonna do the same setup. So actions, OpenAI, perfect. Click on the text advanced. The same last user input as FP comment. So perfect. Now here we'll just make sure to use a new prompt. So that's gonna be just, now I just made a new prompt. This is for the public reply that we're gonna use. Now you can use it anything as you like. So the prompt says you're a customer support assistant for same. Now keep the response only one line long and tell the user that the more information has been sent to their DM. Okay, so I'm gonna copy everything again and I'm going to paste everything again over here, and make sure to remove this because we don't need it, and create a response to a custom field should be new, and it should be public reply, and make sure to click on continue, and perfect. Now we're going to stretch this over here, click on send message, add content and text, and it's going to be, I don't need quick reply, so delete it. Now what we're gonna do is use the same variable we just created, so public reply, and make sure to publish this. So this is published. Everything is now good to go. Now what we're gonna do is connect to those marketing flows previously. So head over to marketing again. Go to Instagram and don't turn it on. It might not work perfectly, or it will just not work. Click on all posts because I only have one post in that, and the private reply because this is private reply, and this flow should be public reply. Now you can just send a text message if you like, but we want it to be AI, right? And you can also add buttons under text if you go to the flows and add links to this button, maybe to your website or to any different landing pages, so you can direct the customers directly to your products or services. But this video we're just gonna do this. So click on more options, make this would be on, so make sure turn it to turn it off, and click on save, and whole system is now ready to go and rock. Now let's test the whole system on how their system actually performs. I mean, if it work perfectly, it's just our fault. We'll just debug it real quick, but let's test it. I'm on this business page which we connected to the Facebook and chatbotbuilder.ai. Now I'm going to the post. I'm going to ask some question about the business. So it should be about, hey there, where is your company based? And can you tell me about your pricing? Now let's just wait for a few seconds and it should be able to work perfectly. Okay. So leave the post. I'm going to refresh the page to see if it's working perfectly. And as you can see, I received one DM from the AI and we should be able to receive a reply under the comment. So as you can see, if I go to notifications, there is no notification yet. And yet I received, if I go on replies, thanks for reaching out. More information has been sent to your DMs, because we just prompted it a reply according to that DM. And let's see on the messages. And thank you for your comment. And we received the whole information about the question that I asked. Now this system is insanely great. Now you can add an AI chatbot or your Instagram. I just made a tutorial on how to build that specifically in the previous video. So if you turn that on, AI will sell your products on autopilot, just like a customer support 24/7 assistant. That is all for the video. If you have any questions, just drop down below. And I also run an AI automation agency building specifically systems like this. So if you like to build a system somewhat similar to this, just reach out to me via the link below in the description, and I might have pinned the link in the comment as well, so you can reach it to me with the help of that link.